Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Telegram signals, only way. Open Telegram, join a reputable signal group, and set clear notification rules to stay timely. Always confirm each signal with your own checklist and risk rules before entering trades. Use separate wallets or accounts for testing and track results in a simple spreadsheet. Keep emotions in check and treat signals as ideas, not guarantees, to build consistent skills over time. Start by creating a dedicated Telegram account to separate trading alerts from personal messages and protect privacy. Turn on two-factor authentication and pick a unique strong password to reduce hacks. Pin your trusted signal channels and set custom notification tones to avoid missing critical messages. Use folders or saved messages to organize trade plans, and always cross-reference signals with charts and volume before acting on them. Treat every signal like a checklist. Confirm entry, set stop loss, and pick take-profit levels before executing. Size each trade according to your risk tolerance and the signal's conviction, never risking too much on a single idea. Keep a trading log to record outcomes, winners, and losers so you can refine your approach. Periodically review channel performance and drop sources that lack consistency or transparency to protect your capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.